Hi, children. Yes, today our topic in biology will be natural resources. So, here we go. What are natural resources? You know that out of all the planets where we are, all the planets, so what is the life supporting planet? That is Earth, right? So, this Earth constitute of many natural resources which gives like ambient temperature where we live in water, soil, like all these abiotic components will help us in living. Let us see what are abiotic and biotic components. So what is this about? So in our solar system there are many planets out of which earth is only gives living and earth is best suitable for life. So in this solar system or in this out of all the planets, all the solar system, so what are the abiotic components? First is soil, that is earth's crust, which is called as lithosphere. Next is the earth's atmosphere, which is surrounding the earth atmosphere, which is called as atmosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, and the water, main component which helps us to live is water, a wonderful liquid. Okay, that constitutes hydrosphere. All this lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere constitute our biosphere. Bio means life, which constitute life on the planet Earth. Okay, so this biosphere constitutes of biotic components as well as abiotic components, and there will be a sustainable interaction between them. Biotic components are nothing but living components, whereas abiotic components are nothing but non-living components like air, water, and soil. Biotic components are like us, human beings, plants, and animals, which constitute biotic components. Okay, so in that we shall see about water. In our solar system, water in the liquid form only found in the earth. 2 by third of the earth is covered by water. Do you know this? 2 by third of earth is constituted by water, which is not favorable for drinking, but still we are in the search of water for drinking, right? When we look at the earth, it is look like a blue ball, so it is called as blue planet or watery planet. When we look at the earth, it looks like a blue ball. That is why it is called as watery planet. 97% of the water on the earth is saline. Saline means salty. 97% is salty, which is not fit for drinking. Okay, so how much is available for drinking? Let us see. This is our solar system and this is the earth. See how these planets are revolving in their own axis around the sun. Earth is called as blue planet. The water resources are plenty, but which is not fit for drinking, 97%. The amount of water can be directly used is only 0.33%, which can be directly used. Directly used is like whether it is cleaning, drinking, or whatever it is only 0.33% on the total Earth's surface. Total quantity of water on the Earth is around 1,386 lakh cubic meters. Saline water is found in oceans and seas. As you all know, salt water is present. Pure water is found in rivers and lakes, etc. It is found in gaseous manner in the atmosphere, isn't it? Water is found in the gaseous manner, like in the form of water vapor. Main water vapor is present in the Earth's atmosphere. So I have a picture, and this is lake picture. Total volume of water on the Earth is almost constant. From sea, lake, and from plants get heated up by sun and finally evaporates and condensed. As a result, precipitation takes place. First, what will happen? The water bodies gets evaporated by the sun, and then it goes up, and then it evaporates, and then condenses, and then the rainfall takes place, and then precipitation will take place. This is all a cycle, as you all know. as you might have studied in your earlier classes as well. Thus, water is always in cyclical movement and it is called as water cycle. Due to this process, the amount of water remains constant. So if there is no rainfall, what will happen to the amount of water which is available on the earth? It gets reduced, right? So this is all a water cycle. It constantly gets evaporated and the rainy season comes, the rainfall takes place, and then precipitation, condensation, and the amount of water on the earth's surface will be constant. So what we have studied till now is our solar system. In the solar system, earth is the only planet where the life takes place with the ambient temperature, water conditions, as well as all the conditions, temperature, rainfall, etc. So this constitute lithosphere, which is on the earth's crust, is called as lithosphere, and the atmosphere which is surrounding earth is called as atmosphere, where air is present, as well as the hydrosphere constitute water and its water bodies. So these three constitute the biosphere. Biosphere means the living conditions. The biosphere constitute abiotic components as well as biotic components. Biotic components are nothing but the living things like plants, animals, and human beings, whereas abiotic components are nothing but soil, water, earth, sky, air, all these constitute abiotic components. Okay, on this we'll be talking about the water, a wonderful liquid. How much percent? 97% is water is present all over the earth, but which is not at all fit for drinking. We use only 0.03% for our manual use. All right, so all these the total quantity of water on the earth is 1,03,086 lakh cubic meters. Saline water is found in all the 97% water is all in the form of polar ice caps or in the saline water like salty water, which is not useful for human beings. Pure water is found in rivers, lakes which are present around us. It is found in gases in the atmosphere. How it is present in the form of water vapor, in the form of gas. So from sea, what will happen? How does this water cycle takes place? First, evaporation during summers from the water bodies, and then precipitates, and then condenses, and then the rainfall comes, and then again precipitation takes place. This is called as water cycle. Because of this water cycle, the amount of water available on the earth is always constant. Okay, so we shall see about the cyclic movement and all. Condensation, see here how the water has been taking place, evaporation has been taking place in the from the water bodies in the form of evaporation, right? And after that, a transpiration also takes place. What is meant by transpiration? The amount of water which is being seen on the, which is being evaporated from the plant surface, from the plant leaf surface is called as a transpiration into the external atmosphere is called as transpiration, evaporation, and then it goes into clouds. There comes the condensation, and then after precipitation, the rainfall comes on the ground, and then snow melt runoff, surface runoff taking place. So the rainfall, again infiltration into groundwater. From the rainfall, the groundwater will be groundwater will take the water from the rainfall, and then the groundwater level increases, so it keeps the water constant in the earth surface, on the earth surface as well. Largest amount of pure water is found in polar ice blocks. Largest amount of pure water is found in polar ice cap. Percentage of pure water found in rivers and lakes are very less, 0.26 and 0.0006. Atmosphere contains about 0.04% only the pure water which is available. 2.5% of pure water found totally on the earth. 2.5% of pure water is found on the earth. See, these ice cubes are so pure that which is not available or else fit for drinking. Okay, we shall see about the surface water. We shall learn about surface water in the next video.